Hello friends, Gina again. I'm here with my 11th layout with my Page Kits with Scraps series. And this layout only took me like 12 and a half minutes to complete. Totally amazing how quick it was. And yeah, a lot of the stuff I used was paper scraps. And then of course a full-size background page. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is use some of these photos. It's one day when I had gone and I got my hair done and and I showed you I didn't use that picture because it has that ant killer in the background. So yeah, my husband doesn't realize when you take photos, you got to watch what's in the background. So anyway, I'm not going to be using that photo. But yeah, these are just a few photos of when I got all fixed up and I went out, not out, just like to a restaurant. And they have, a DJ and stuff like that. It's that Mexican restaurant I did layouts about not long ago. And yeah, so I went and I got my hair done and then I got airbrushed the makeup because and you can see I'm just adding that pattern paper to the white background. I just cut it down a little bit and I'm going to mat the photos on that paper. And so yeah, when I go out, and even if I just have like a sip of alcohol or anything, I have rosacea and that just totally aggravates it, and like my whole face turns super red, my chest turns red. Yeah, so this time I just wanted to not have to worry about my rosacea flaring up with the alcohol. So anyway, yeah, so I was feeling really pretty this day. And I decided to, scrap these photos and just a memory of how I was feeling that night. And my son, he's so sweet. This was this a couple years ago? Yeah, he was maybe 9. And he is so sweet. He'll always tell me when I fix my hair or do any, "Oh, Mom, you look so pretty." So he's a little sweetie pie. So I have a picture with him and then myself and then with my husband. So yeah. So I am cutting down that paper after I matted it on some black and gray pattern paper, the photos. I have the 3 photos there. Then I'm going to add that that piece of black with the turquoise on it. And I was going to mat the photos in that, but I decided to use the gray because I felt like it stood out a little bit more because the pictures are kind of dark. So there I am, just using some Distress ink. These are a couple more scraps. Decide to make banners on both sides of that one, and that's going to go there on the left hand side. That plaid. So I have trouble mixing and matching patterns and colors and stuff like that. It just seems like, oh my gosh, that would never go and that looks totally silly. But when it's all done, I like it. So yeah, I think you just have to do it and try. And I mean, because really your photos are supposed to be the highlight of the layout anyway. So it's like, if the background isn't too gorgeous, at least they'll still, like the photos. So I'm just adding different pieces of scraps that I have. And those are they're all in blues, turquoises. Just using my ATG as usual. So yeah, just trying to use up my scraps, and it looks cute. I think they work good with this layout. because you just need a little piece to make it look like it, you know, spans the whole, like the whole photo block. So just different things I'm trying there. Sorry, kind of moved a little. So with this upper right hand corner, that's where I'm going to do most of my embellishing. And yeah, I'm just kind of piling it up with different pieces. A couple of these are going to be for journaling, like that one. I don't think it stands out enough, so I'm using another scrap to mat that journaling box. That one just looked like it needed a little more. I don't add the blue to it though, because the black is what I need. Those I don't think I'm going to use because that acetate on the inside, it's like all warpy, so I probably won't end up using those at all. Maybe just cut out the middle and use it for a frame or something. They're pretty old. So I have that piece that says today. I'm inking that with some black. I think it's black soot. I think that's the only black I have, black soot. And adding that there, and then I'm going to put another label up there in that same corner. It's a black scallop one. But yeah, I can't get over how quick this one was. And that's a status update. That one I'm going to put up there. So I'm just trimming it a little. It has the turquoise or teal. I don't know my colors. Teal maybe? I don't know. Whatever. I'm putting that one up there. Just tucking it back a little. Just kind of building up that giant cluster. And now that I look at it, it's super crooked and even on my layout, so I might fix that. Other little bits. And of course, not even half of this stuff is going to go on the layout, so I'll just use what I can. That says the details. It's a little heart that I think I'm going to end up popping up. Oh, no, I don't. It stays like that. Another heart. Let me see. I'm still looking. Yeah, I'm going to use that piece, the one I have in my hand. Oh, yeah, I decided to add that little circle to the top. Change it up a little and give it some circles instead of all rectangles, or squares rather. So yeah, hoping in this time when the kids are off school, and I'm a substitute teacher, so I don't, I'm not working either. I'm going to try to get a ton of videos done and uploaded and that kind of thing. This is a perfect time. And you know, keep your mind busy, that kind of thing. So yeah, so hopefully you'll be seeing more videos from me. Like I've said before, the kids are home, so I mean, quiet is not going to be, I mean, I tell them I'm going to do a video, but then they just get riled up and just start, you know. And this house, I don't know, it's not very soundproof anything, so even the floors, so I don't know why it's not soundproof at all, but you can hear everything from upstairs, unless I'm just exaggerating and you guys can't hear it as much as I can. But sometimes it sounds like there's a herd of buffalo up there, even though they're just walking around, not even running. So I will apologize for that, but you know, we're kind of confined, so we have nowhere to go, or nowhere to send them anyway. So yeah, so that's life. So hopefully you guys won't mind too much. I understand when other people do it. And this isn't my job. This isn't a very professional channel or anything like that. So hopefully everybody is on the same page as I am and just understands. All right, so just trying to put everything I can on there, and I'm going to use those beautiful silver shiny, I think they're thickers. And my title is going to be Feeling there on top, and then I'm going to reinforce it after the video. After I'm done filming, I'll just add the glue because it will not stay. Feeling, and then Pretty on the bottom right. And I know it's kind of, I don't know. I just did feel pretty, so hopefully you guys won't think I'm stuck on myself or anything. But I thought I looked cute this day, so yeah, that's going to be my title. And I already added my black enamel dots. And then on the bottom there, it says today is, and then I just put a good hair day. And then on the top, I did all my journaling, just saying where we went. Just, said feeling pretty tonight on my way to Margaritas with Aunt Jane for a drink and nachos. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you come back to see more. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.